Hey everybody, Rick Bedeau here with EAC Additive coming at you week of November 17th with some industry news. Got some cool things to show you here. You're going to see in this picture, there's a 3D print of a mouse skull. This is a pretty interesting little print. You can see my finger next to that, so it gives you a sense of scale. Highly detailed little model. You might be wondering, well, what are you going to do with a mouse skull? Are you going to mount that on the front of your motorcycle or whatever? Well, in this case, you're going to use a mouse skull if you are a scientist and you're doing research that involves mice and you want to learn how to cut into the skull or do some surgery on those little tiny mice skulls without having to, do it on a real mouse. So you can kind of practice on these, see if you get it right the first time, and that could be whether you're doing that with your own by hand, or if you're using some kind of a robot. So in this case, that's what this is for. So neat little print. Just thought I'd share that with people. Also, too, again, we're coming at you from the Twin Cities, so local to us. We donated a bunch of equipment to Lakeview South, and you can see that in the picture here, what their lab looks like. They get a lot of use out of this equipment. They've got some Form 3s, a Form 3L, and a bunch of Form 2s. What you can't see is behind me, there's a whole wall of little FDM printers that they also use. So shout out to Lakeview South. Great job, guys, with your additive manufacturing stuff. And in the other picture there, you're going to see this is actually very cool stuff. It is silicone 3D printing, and that's right. I mean, this is literally silicone 3D printing. Now, Formlabs offers a resin silicone printing, or silicone for resin printing. Which is a pure silicone, a 40A durometer that you can run on the Formlabs printers. This, however, is actual silicone, like similar to what you'd get at a hardware store, that is squirted off of a gun or off of a tube that's attached to the print head. In this case, it's right now only for Prusa printers, but pretty awesome that you can print literal silicone just like you're used to, and in this case the picture you see here is a gasket. So pretty cool application, and that is your weekly industry news from EAC Additive. Have a great week, everybody. See you next time.